Ever wondered how to interpret and clear basic engine emissions fault codes? Well, you're about to embark on a journey that demystifies these mysterious codes. Fault codes, also known as diagnostic trouble codes, are essentially the language of your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, or OBD for short. Think of your car's OBD as a vigilant guardian, constantly monitoring various systems within your vehicle for any signs of trouble. When something goes awry, the OBD system springs into action, generating these fault codes. These codes are akin to your car's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. The beauty of these codes lies in their specificity. They can help pinpoint exactly where a problem lies, whether it's within the engine, the exhaust system, or even the fuel system. This specificity makes diagnosing car issues a much more manageable task. Now that you understand what fault codes are, let's delve into how to interpret them. Interpreting fault codes might seem like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge, it's quite straightforward. Each fault code is a unique combination of letters and numbers that acts like a secret message from your car, telling you exactly what's wrong. And just like a secret language, once you know how to decipher it, it all makes sense. Let's take a closer look. The first character you'll encounter is a letter. This letter tells you the area of the vehicle that's causing a hiccup. For instance, a P at the beginning of your code, that's your car telling you there's an issue with the powertrain. If you see a B, it means there's a problem with the body of the vehicle. Now the numbers that follow the letter, they pinpoint the exact issue. So while the initial letter gives you a general area, the numbers give you the specifics. With the fault code interpreted, the next step is to clear it. Clearing fault codes is a simple process once you've identified them. Now let's delve into how you can effectively clear these codes using an OBD2 scanner. First, you'll need to connect your trusty scanner to your vehicle's OBD2 port, typically found under the dashboard. Once connected, your scanner's menu will provide you with an option to clear codes. It's as simple as selecting this option and letting the scanner do its magic. But here's a critical point to remember. Clearing the code doesn't mean you fix the problem. The fault code is just a symptom of an underlying issue with your vehicle. If you don't address that issue, the fault code is likely to make an unwelcome return. So, always ensure you've identified and rectified the root cause of your fault code before you clear it. And just like that, you've cleared the fault code. But remember, this doesn't mean the problem is solved. So, what have we learned today about interpreting and clearing basic engine emissions fault codes? Well, we've discovered that these fault codes are vital in diagnosing issues with our vehicles. They're like the car's way of communicating with us, telling us something is not quite right under the hood. We've also learned how to interpret these codes using an OBD2 scanner. This handy tool decodes the mystery, providing us with a specific problem area to investigate. But remember, the code is just the starting point. It's like a clue in a detective story, guiding us to the real culprit. And yes, we can clear these codes using the same OBD2 scanner. But don't forget, clearing a code doesn't magically fix the issue. It's crucial to address the underlying problem to prevent it from popping up again. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to handle basic engine emissions fault codes like a pro. Until next time, drive safely out there.